Are you tired of manually selecting each photo on your iPhone one by one? In this video, I will show you a simple and time-saving way to select all your photos on an iPhone with just a few taps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Photos app on your iPhone, tap the Select button at the top right. And then select some photos using one of your fingers. Don't let go of the screen, keep your finger on the screen. And then tap the very top of the screen using your other finger. And it will take you to the top of all of your photos. Just swipe through and select the rest of the photos. All of the photos are now selected. So you can now delete them all at once, airdrop these photos to any of your other devices, share them with others, or do whatever you want with them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.